All right. Well, let's take a look at the parts we're going to use here. The PCB. I've gone ahead and put the stabs on there. I'm using Durock stabilizers. They're lubed. Krytox 205 grade 0. Anyway. And a silver aluminum plate. Hopefully this time I don't run into any issues like I did last time with that walnut keyboard build that I built. All right, ready? Nice. Come on, focus. Not that way, the other way. There we go. I'm on focus. Anyway, nice keyboard. One thing about this though is if you don't like the if it's not just a keyboard, it's also a weapon. Look at the corner on that thing. It will cut paper. And the keycaps we're using are from KBD Fans. They are the EPBT Dolch, ABS Dolch. Thought a dark gray with a kind of a lighter gray would go good with that silver. And then there's some various different artisan type things, but we'll figure that out. Which ones you want to put on there later? University. What school are you going to, Arnie? Add some switches. So the switches that we're using are alpacas. Sorry, I didn't mean to bump the. What we're doing here is just there's a metal wire that's inside these little stabilizers, and if you're hitting plastic or metal on plastic, it'll make a clacking noise, a tinging noise. And most of your big keyboards, Ducky and all of those, none of them are lubed the right way, and so they all sound off. I think all these sound good. No rattle. Make sure one more time. Yeah. That one may use a little bit. Yep, put extra lube. Yep. That's the way you fix it. You just can't put too much though. But if you know a better place, you can school me. That's the one that we go to. Why? All right, now we'll put some case foam in here, kind of dampen the sound a little bit. So I gotta poke some holes for these standoffs. I don't know that we'll have room for both of these. We'll see. Okay. So we have the KBD Fans Tofu 65%. Alpaca switches, silver aluminum plate. The KBD 67 Rev 2 PCB. We have case foam inside. All the switches were lubed Krytox 205 grade 0 and filmed with Desky films. Bottom plate looks pretty nice. And it adds weight. This thing is heavy compared to anything that most of you have felt. USB port looks pretty good. Anyway, let me do a screenshot for the thumbnail. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Nice. All right. So it is clean and it is built. Let's test it. Sorry. All right, let's test the mods. See what they sound like. That sounds good. All you have to do is put forth a little bit of effort, go volunteer in some way, post it in the give back to the community chat that we have in Discord, and it can be yours. So you have until December 19th. Post a picture, post a letter, something, just some kind of evidence that you did something. So earlier in the stream, we were talking about just, just go buy a little gift and donate it somewhere. Drop it in one of the collections somewhere. Anything. And it can be yours. So it'll stop on December 19th, whoever the winner is. And then I'll ship it overnight. Hopefully you'll get it before Christmas. So, you got to do something nice. Yep. Just get it. So that's the build stream. I want to jump into the game, get some stuff done today. Appreciate everybody coming by. Thanks, Gert, Beefrobe, Camus, and King. Appreciate the follows. Hyper, if you're in here. I don't know if I told you last night when we were streaming. Appreciate the follow. So we actually hit over 50 followers. So that's been a goal for a while. Appreciate it. Thanks to everybody that followed. Got me to this point. Yep. It's pretty cool. 40 runs. RNG's got to catch up to you sometime, King. Sometime. All right, everybody. Appreciate you coming out. I don't have another keyboard build planned right now, but we'll see. I've ordered one. It's supposed to be here in December. And we'll see what it. Hopefully, it gets here. But anyway, till next time. Catch y'all.